guys, Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Artwork. Today we're working on the W210, the 2001 3.2 V6. We are going to put in some engine mounts. This guy, when it idles, you can feel it feels like metal on metal. It just vibrates the whole car, and then when you put the AC on, vibrates even worse. But as soon as you hit the gas, smooth. So it's got to be the motor mounts. Or engine mounts. I like saying engine mounts, but because it is an engine, it's not a motor, it's an engine. So yep, let's jack it up, put these engine mounts. They look pretty easy. It's one bolt on top, one bolt on bottom, and if you look down in there, you can pretty much see them. One down in there, and the other one down, let's see, right there. So let's jack it up. Oh, probably have to remove this, give me a little bit more access. This side I already have enough access, pretty much. And then I'm going to get underneath, take off the splash shield, and there's 2 bolts down there. Alright, after about 45 minutes and a lot of cussing, the driver's side is really hard to get out. See, after removing the air box, passenger side, no problem. Plenty of room to get to it. You get over here, you get the power steering, the steering column, everything. It gets real hard. But my diagnosis was right. Look at that. Look how compressed it is. These are hydraulic motor mounts. Look at that. Done. So this thing is gonna run so smooth. So let's take out the, well, actually let's install the new one on the driver's side, button that up, and then take out the passenger side one, and let's see how bad that one is. All right, 2 hours later or so, we are done. This one was done. This one had no more fluid left. Look at that. They're flattened. They're about an inch short compared to the new ones. And there's the 2 new ones. Well, boxes anyways. But yep, all that's done. Everything's all buttoned up. Just lower it down, start her up, see how smooth it is. And then I'm going to continue on with the interior. Or actually, I'm going to clean the engine compartment first. And then I will, do the interior. But yeah, she needs a good bath in here. And we're back just like that. Bam, got a fender. And I got a door for the 430. But today we're gonna do the fender on the 320. So this one will be ready up for sale as soon as I change this fender and do the headlights. Clean up the engine compartment a little bit, vacuum up all them leaves, and then clean the interior, and it'll probably be up for sale on Monday. So let's change the fender. And just like that, fender is installed, washed up. I think it looks pretty good. All the gaps are good. They line up. The color matches pretty good. And she looks good washed. But like I said, yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of color difference, but not bad. Then tomorrow, clean up the interior. And it is the next day, and bam, we are cleaning the interior. I got this all sprayed down. This is the trunk. There goes my phone. Hold on. All right, and we're back. But yeah, they're pretty shot, but I'm gonna try my best to make them look good. I already cleaned out the trunk. Got the little net, cleaned out all the junk. I already started the door panels. Door panels are a lot cleaner. I think I'm just gonna leave the seats the way they are. If the next person wants to, that buys it, wants to continue, that's cool. I will adjust the price accordingly on the car. Like I said, the car is worth the money. Mechanically is sound, but the interior is coming out pretty dang clean. I just gotta shampoo the carpets now. But yeah, this door panel was filthy, and so was the driver's. But coming along. There's that door panel, it's pretty clean. Steering wheel, tried my best. It's not gonna get any better, but do have a steering wheel cover that it came with. Probably throw that in there, but like I said, yeah, still gotta shampoo the carpets. Gonna do that next. Sorry these videos aren't as detailed and everything like that. I don't have a lot of time anymore. Yeah, I did have a little life game changer. So basically, my dad moved in, he got really sick, so I'm taking care of him right now. So that's why there's not a lot of Instagram posts, not a lot of YouTube videos coming out. I don't have a lot of time anymore, so please bear with me. There's still going to be good content, but it's not going to be as good, but I'm going to try my best, because whenever I have a little bit of time, I come out here, do what I can do on the cars, and then go back in and take care of my dad. My wife is helping me. She is immensely helping me a lot. I really appreciate everything she's done. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And then raising my 18-month-old boy, no time for cars right now. So right now it's about family and health. That's first and foremost right now. So let's get back on this Mercedes and let's finish her up and see if we can flip it. Well, I'll be damned. These mats came out way better than I thought. Check them out. They were almost black. This one can probably take another one. Looks like they spilled coffee on it or something, but way better than what it was. The driver one's pretty gone, but hey, looks way better. So we got all the interior done. Shampooed the carpet. Probably do it again. Down in there was dirty, filthy. And like I said, the seats aren't perfect. These seat covers are nice. I put on the steering wheel cover. It's only got 121,000, just turned off. Here's the back. All clean. Shampooed. Yep, they are faded. I'll see what I'll do. Like I said, I'm gonna sell it as is. Front. All cleaned up. This one was the worst, but like I said, with this seat cover, it's perfect. Center stack's all cleaned. I even think I got this going pretty good now. Nope. No, I don't. Darn. Oh, there it goes. Needs a little help. There we go. That's all cleaned out. That's all cleaned out. It's a little fidgety. There we go. Armrest is clean. Overall, this car is nice. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. It's pretty much done. Headlights are all done, so it's ready. All right, that's gonna end the series on the W210 2001 E320 V6 sedan, silver. It's all complete. So until next time, please subscribe right there in the corner, like, share. Until next time, talk to you later.